everyone, welcome to a brand new vlog. Today is Monday 24th and it's gonna be super productive day as well as the whole week itself because soon I will be going somewhere for a trip and also to take a break. And so I've decided that I will finish as much as work I can do and just wrap up within this week itself. So currently already I have done my workout. It is 12:30 gonna be, and here you go. Already I have done finished my workout.
A few inches later.
So already I woke up late in the morning. Today I woke up at 9:30. I have done my workout. I had my breakfast as well. Now I started editing my 2 days video. Actually मुझे संडे को एक वीडियो एडिट करके पोस्ट करना था, but I could not do that. But any which ways, I have already completed my workout and my breakfast and also uploaded that reel which gonna go live on Thursday because it's a new series that I will be putting both on my Instagram as well as on YouTube. Now let's sit for editing the long format of video that I will post today itself on 24th of March. Yeah, let's do that. This is the video. It's called Surviving 2020-25. It's basically everything that I am currently just loving and making my life better by choosing those products, and I will show you how it goes and actually how I have decluttered my life into a very healthier version lifestyle आप कैसे जी सकते हो using less products. So that's what I have shown in this video. Like he said, it is already 2:30 now. I could, chop down my video from, I think 22 timestamp था, उससे मैंने 17 किया. इसको और भी chop down करना है. But currently I have to film some branded content. अभी मेरे को daylight रहते रहते I have to shoot a brand का content, otherwise आज नहीं हो पाएगा. And today या फिर tomorrow I have to submit it. If I do now, I will be finishing by half an hour or so. Let me do it quickly. Then I have to take shower and have my lunch as well. So let me do that. And इसका thumbnail भी बाकी है अभी. वो मैं शाम को करूँगी जब मैं इसको post करने वाली हूँ. जब I will upload this, I will do the thumbnail in the afternoon. And we have to do it quickly. So let's do that.
Later.
Okay, so I got ready now. So let me shoot now the brand ka content I have. They want very minimal makeup or no makeup. Just I put some lip balm, that is it. And this is what I'm wearing. I got this from Zudio, and yeah, can you see? This is all. Oh, let's shoot now. I have to hurry. I have to take bath, and already it's 3:30. Bye.
Later that same evening.
Hello, so I'm catching you all after a very long time, and in between I didn't do much productive work. Currently it is 7:38, you can see. I think last I told you that I done shooting the HA Vitals video, then I went for quick shower, had my lunch while seeing this new, not new, I think Laughter Shares many of my friend watches that, and I have hard never watched before, but I currently for a couple of days I'm liking it very much. It's a very funny show as such. So as I was telling, I was watching Laughter Shares. Along with that I had my lunch, and while watching it I had my lunch basically, and then I took a little bit of rest, and then I went for my evening walk, and that is pretty much of it. I came back around 6:30 today, and after that, for last half an hour or so, I am editing video which apparently I was aiming to upload today itself, but I could not because I'm not finding it as interesting. I have to add certain B-rolls as well, which I haven't shot it. So I'm like, what? I have planned something and it is not going accordingly, but we will figure it out anyways. So I will do as much as possible, and whatever the B-rolls I have to add, I will just write it down today itself, so that the first thing in the morning I do is film all of those. Okay, so it is now actually 8:28. My laptop battery gonna be dead very quickly, and also my energy is gonna be dead. What I will do is that, okay, so what I decided that I will upload that on Tuesday itself, my regular upload जो कि होता है. So I will upload tomorrow, and I have thought something to add on ताकि ये more attractive and appealing लगे video, ना boring ना होए. As far I will be doing all the shoots and add the videos and every small details that I have to do. And if I add all of them, I think it's gonna look super nice as far I am aiming. And we will see how it looks after adding those small details. As of now, it's already 8:30 and I really want to call it a day. I cannot do much more screen time. So also my head is paining. I have a severe headache, so we are calling it a day. So I thought to relax myself down using this sheet mask. This is from the Face Shop's sheet mask that my friend gifted me, Oishi. Thank you, Oishi, if you are watching. And she actually, I think, bought from Dubai itself. It is available on Nykaa as well. So these are the sheet masks. I have two variants. One is aloe and another is rice. So I will relax now, and if I get some more time, I will also schedule what are the things that I need to do tomorrow. So I actually don't want to work anymore, but you know, dimag chalta hai. So yeah, let's do that. Oh, and one more thing. Did I tell you all that today I got another brand collab from one of the brand that I'm currently not naming it, but I think it's gonna be super interesting one. And as summer is coming, this is gonna be a super game changer. As of now, I'm believing. So I will try it out and definitely I will show you once it arrives. So yeah, it was a pretty good day and very productive overall. So the week is going great. Now let's see. But now I really need to take a rest. So bye. Hello, good morning. It is the next day, Tuesday, and it is currently 1:24. I'm kind of a breathless because I just came from a shower now, and my morning today was so bad. I was talking you all about the last day that I was filming for this brand content, and I did it. All fine, it was going as per the timeline. मुझे कल ही सबमिट कर देना था, मतलब कि I was doing it earlier. वैसे तो 2 days मिलता ही है. Any which ways. So मुझे आज सुबह मैसेज आता है from the brand side is that it already been 20 days. You haven't submitted the video. I mean, it's 20 days? Like, how come? And they wrote this message. I will show you. Or that will be something very unprofessional. I'm not showing you, I'm briefing you that this is highly unprofessional. It's been 20 days. Then I said, at this day I received it. How can I give you, like, it's not even the timeline of submission. Then she said, okay, I thought you received it earlier. But anyway, submitted. I could not see the message earlier. That's why I have texted. How can you randomly text anyone that someone is unprofessional and not submitting? I really know my deadlines. If I'm going out, I do not take any collaboration. I was very pissed off, but I have to do my work anyways. अगर मैं किसी भी फील्ड में हो, आपको कुछ लोग ऐसे मिल जाता है, बट यू कैन नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम और डे थिंकिंग अबाउट देम. सो आई कंप्लीटेड माई एडिट्स. मैंने कुछ व्लॉग में नहीं दिखाया. नाउ आई विल डू द वॉइस ओवर ऑफ इट एंड आई विल सेंड इट राइट अवे. and that is it. So let me complete the voiceover, then I will talk to you all.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm catching you all after very long, and almost I have done my this task. I did edit a video and also uploaded, made the thumbnail, and this two are left. I will place order, and I had to blow dry my hair, but now I can't. But these are the 3 tasks is done. So today now I am like dead tired. It's currently 9 p.m. Now I did complete all my tasks, scheduled tasks I have, and now I will write. Now I have free time. I have done everything. Now I will place my order and try to blow dry out my hair, because tomorrow I'm going home again. So if I can, I will. And also I have to place some order for a new video, so we will do that. And yeah, today was a pretty good day. Today is 25th of March, by the way. It was a Tuesday, and everything is done. I'm so happy. So yeah, it was eventually a productive day, and yeah, I was planning out more, but this much is fine. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Okay, good morning. It is Thursday. Yeah, you can see the difference in place of change of place. Basically, I came to home yesterday, so I could not film anything yesterday. Now, मैं सुबह से I cleaned up my room a little bit. अभी भी बहुत सारा mess है. Mess तो फिलहाल इसलिए है क्योंकि I have to shoot something. Also मैंने आज कुछ भी makeup नहीं किया क्योंकि मुझे आज एक skin care के बारे में shoot करना है. This brand came recently, so I received this PR itself, so I will try this and I will shoot. Also I have to write the scriptings and everything, so that sorry, also write the scripting and everything right there. Before that, I have a lot of to-do list of today, from editing one video to sending to the brand to transferring all my footages, what I'm currently doing now. Then I will start shooting for this one. I have tried it already. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. It's a very different new concept that I will eventually show you in this video. Also, I will talk a little bit through it. Also, you will be seeing a dedicated. Mainly, I got this for our YouTube shorts, because shorts are very trending nowadays. So people really, brands like to collaborate for a YouTube shorts rather than a full long content of video. So talking about the to-do list, did I tell you all? So I'm currently transferring the footage. Then I will send one video to the brand. I will upload Thursday's video, which is I'm starting a new series from today itself. It's reviewing makeups, or affordable makeups mainly, and the new launches. So that I will do. And then I will shoot for this brand.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
After that, but before that, I will write the script, then shoot for this brand in the sunlight itself. So sunlight plays a very important role for me. So I will do that. और घर का जो भी mess है वो मैं शाम को समेटूंगी, क्योंकि now I can't. अभी तो और भी mess होने वाला है इधर. So that is pretty much of it. Let me do it quickly. I have to also send the video to my editor so that she can edit, and I will be a little bit relaxed when I'm shooting. So yeah, let me do it quickly. And also I'm having my tea. It is currently 12, because सुबह से मैं editing का ही काम कर रही थी, and I was transferring, clean my room. So already अब मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, वो सर दर्द वाला काम हो गया, जो कि क्लीनिंग था वो हो गया. सो लेट मी नाउ फोकस ऑन माय वर्क कंप्लीटली. सो लेट मी डू दैट. आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दिस व्लॉग राइट नाउ. इसका फुटेज ट्रांसफर था, सो दैट आई एम डूइंग. So I have finished reviewing that edit wala thing that I was doing, sorting down the footages and everything. So roughly तो मैंने कर दिया, बाकी मेरे editors के भरोसे. Otherwise I don't know how to make look the vlogs interesting. It's on her hand. So actually I have to talk to her. If she's free, I will send it to her right away. Today, Saturday itself. Because yeah, we will do that. But anyways, but I will show you today how I actually मतलब कैसे collabs जो भी videos होता है. I know many of you are in the journey. Let me show you a little bit. मेरे पास भी उतना ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है नहीं, पर जितना भी है, सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई डू। ये इश्के वाइटर्स का कोलैबोरेशन था। सब तुम इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते हो बिकॉज द ब्रांड विल चॉप इट डाउन, कट इट डाउन टू वट एवर दे वॉन्ट, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल दिस ऑल आर मार्केटिंग। सो मैंने अपना रिसर्च किया, मैंने अपना जो भी, क्योंकि मैं खुद तो कुछ भी ऐसे कंज्यूम नहीं करूँगी until and unless I know what I am putting in my body, maybe it's surface level or inside. I make super sure that everything is under control. So this is how I write. Now I have already done a little bit of research. ये collab कुछ ऐसा था, this is very much unexpected. बुक नहीं हुआ था अभी तक जितना भी मैंने कोलैब लिया। अभी मेरा सारा मेरा बाकी ही था, कुछ नहीं आया अभी तक। But anyways, I will write a little bit backstories and a little bit how I felt after using this product to let you all know how it works. But yeah, now I will write a little bit of कैसे मैंने short लेना है इस product का, कैसे मैं करूँगी, so I will write that. मेरे फ़ोन पे ऑलरेडी एक चीज़ अपलोड हो रहा है। टुडेज दिस क्या बोलते हैं, थर्सडे स्पेशल में एक सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ, सो दैट आई एम अपलोडिंग करेक्टली। और लैपटॉप में मेरा और एक वीडियो रेंडर हो रहा है, सो वी हैव टू डू मल्टीटास्किंग व्हाइल आई विल फिनिश राइटिंग द स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ साया, देन आई विल जस्ट जंप इनटू शूटिंग इट। रात को मैं एडिट करके ब्रांड को भेज दूँगी। इफ़ टुडे आई कैन नॉट, बिकॉज शाम को मेरा और भी एक वीडियो बनाना है। Yeah, Sunday's one. I will send it by tomorrow morning positively. So let me do that quickly. Already मैंने ड्रेस तो यही पहनना है मेरे को, कुछ ऐसे कलर कोऑर्डिनेशन वो कुछ नहीं था दिया हुआ स्क्रिप्ट में, बट let me do that. ये थोड़ा बहुत ख़त्म हो गया। लेट मी स्टार्ट शूटिंग। I will start from 1:30 or so. After uploading everything, make sure that my own content is on the channel. After that, I will start shooting this. So yeah, I will see you, catch you later maybe. I don't know, this vlog gonna be super lengthy, but we have to chop it down to as much as we can. So let's do that. Bye.
Tomorrow for sure.
Okay, hello. My moisturizer gonna almost finish, so but we have a little bit, so let's do that. Okay, so I just came out of shower. Today is Friday, 27th, I guess. Yes, 27th. And now I'm starting my day. It's 2 o'clock currently. Actually, starting my day in terms of कि मैंने सुबह उठकर I had my breakfast. Then I quickly sat for editing 3 reels. Basically, I edited one reel, the Saya one that I shot yesterday. वो मैंने complete किया. अभी voice over बाकी है. Then I will send to the brand, and also I edited another 2 reels that gonna go for my मेरे खुद के चैनल के लिए कंटेंट है, तो मैंने वो 2 reels और भी एडिट की। टोटल 3 reels I edited. Next, I was going through my mails. I saw this very unusual collab. So this collab is something which I'm gonna do for the first time if I'm doing. So it was very unusual. Let me tell you why. Because it is non-collab. That is not an unusual part of this collab, because I have done many non-collab being a UGC creator as well. The thing is that it's a barter non-collab. Okay, so I don't know how to address that. मतलब मेरा उतना creators friend है नहीं जो really can address this type of question. So I texted Chelsea. I know many of you know by now. So I did a webinar under her, and she in that webinar told us a lot of insight of how you need to bargain and what are the ethically you should do a collaboration. So I texted her eventually, and you know, honestly speaking, मैं उतना फास्ट तो कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी उससे रिप्लाई, क्योंकि आई थॉट ओके लेट मी जस्ट टेक्स्ट इट, इफ शी रिप्लाइज इट्स वेल एंड गुड, अदरवाइज आई विल टेक माई ओन जजमेंट एंड जितना भी हो सके आई विल डू. बाय द वे आई एम यूजिंग द ब्लश. दिस इज फ्रॉम पैक कॉस्मेटिक्स collab Sara Sarosh, and this is in the shade called Fudge Me Not. I love this. I'm using it after a very long time. This is highly pigmented one, so very tiny dots you need. I'll be needing more. Anyways, so I texted her. I was not expecting much, but then within an hour or so, she texted me back and I was like, okay, now I can have a talk and really understand how this work and should I do or should not. See, need to take in a very small amount otherwise. Okay. Any which ways, it's super easily blendable as you can see. So here we, after talking to her, I came to a conclusion and I will text the brand and definitely no ad rights. Yeah, let me do that. If they agrees with my terms and conditions, whatever I said, I think it will be a pretty good opportunity to do that. It's a big page, not gonna lie.